The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.